Welcome to the Build Mystery. What if the future of safety, rescue, and extreme innovation was already here, quietly transforming the impossible into reality? Machines that react faster than humans, protect lives before disaster strikes, and conquer challenges no one else can. From S-airbag, cushioning falls in milliseconds, to Nerigo, descending high-rise buildings when every second counts. From the JEX-6A rescue drone, sweeping across floodwaters, to Fire Swarm Solutions, swarming wildfires with precision. And Blaze Barrier, halting flames before they touch your home. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on the bell icon, so you never miss the world's most incredible tech. SafeBack SBX is a Norwegian avalanche survival air supply system, built to keep you breathing after burial in deep snow. It was developed by engineers and mountain safety experts focused on solving a deadly problem. Most avalanche victims die from asphyxiation within minutes. SBX integrates into backpacks and vests and uses a battery-powered fan to draw fresh air from the surrounding snowpack and push it up through hoses to your face. No mouthpiece required. When you're buried, you pull a handle like an avalanche airbag. The system activates and it delivers breathable air for up to 90 minutes, even in extreme cold, extending the window for rescue far beyond the usual limits. With low weight and straightforward operation, SBX turns survival odds in your favor when every second counts. This is S-airbag, a smart wearable safety system designed to protect the human body before impact. Developed by a team of engineers specializing in automotive safety and intelligent electronics, it looks minimal but operates with extreme precision. Built-in sensors track body movement in real time, analyzing thousands of data points every second. The moment a dangerous fall is detected, the system reacts instantly. Airbags deploy in milliseconds, shielding the head, neck, spine, and hips from severe impact. The force of the fall is dramatically reduced, turning a violent accident into a controlled event. Connected software can even notify caregivers immediately. This isn't passive protection. It's predictive safety, engineered to act faster than human reflexes, and designed to keep people standing, moving, and alive. VITA Rescue System is a precision hoist stabilization system engineered for helicopter search and rescue and medical evacuation missions. Built by Air Rescue Systems under Vita Inclinata Technologies, it's designed to solve one of the toughest challenges in aerial rescue, keeping the load stable in turbulent air. The system attaches quickly to any standard rescue litter or basket and uses powerful bi-directional fans and real-time sensors that track over 1,000 data points per second to eliminate spin, swing, and oscillation midair. A wireless control pendant lets operators guide and rotate the rescue load from up to 1,000 feet away, cutting hover time and pilot fatigue while improving safety and precision. This technology works in extreme environments, mountains, water, urban canyons, and accelerates hoist missions up to 4 times faster than traditional methods, giving crews the control they need to save lives when every second counts. This is the Polar Life Pod, a patented portable cold water immersion system built to rapidly cool the human body on the spot. Developed by Polar Products, a team with decades of clinical and emergency medicine expertise. It unfolds in seconds, uses real ice water, and transforms into a full-body immersion chamber, engineered to hit ideal cooling rates for heat stroke and exertional illness. The design fits people up to 7 feet tall and 400 pounds, keeps the neck and head safe, and stabilizes breathing while the water pulls heat from the core. Adjustable straps and a floating head support maximize contact and efficiency. Compact, reusable, and ready wherever heat becomes life-threatening. This isn't simple recovery gear. It's rapid response cooling that saves lives when every second counts. This is CORPULS CPR, a next-generation mechanical resuscitation device engineered to deliver perfect chest compressions without fatigue. Built by corpuls.world specialists with decades of critical care and emergency technology experience. It mounts quickly to any patient and uses precision actuators to apply consistent, guideline-exact pressure and rate every single cycle. Internal sensors monitor force and depth in real time. No variation, no human inconsistency. Mobile, rugged, and ready for ambulances, helicopters, and emergency scenes worldwide. It frees responders to focus on airway, medications, and advanced care while the machine maintains life-saving compressions. This isn't just automation, it's relentless, exact, life-sustaining force when seconds decide survival. Imagine being trapped dozens of floors above the ground. Stairwells blocked, elevators out of service, smoke and chaos all around. In that moment, every second counts. The SCC Escape device is your lifeline. A sleek harness and rope system, it attaches to a secure anchor point, allowing you to descend safely and in complete control. No training is required. Adults, children, and even pets can use it. Rapid deployment, reliable performance, and peace of mind in emergencies. The SC Escape device isn't just technology. It's a life-saving solution, quietly waiting for the moment it's needed most. This is Gallagher Bear Fencing, a high-performance electric perimeter system engineered to keep bears out and livestock safe. Built by Gallagher, a global leader in animal management and electric fencing innovation. Heavy-duty steel posts, high tensile wires, and advanced energizers deliver powerful, consistent pulses that deter the strongest predators. Built-in fault detection and smart voltage regulation maintain optimal output across long distances, even in rough terrain and extreme weather. Installations span farms, cabins, and remote properties where bears roam. The fence doesn't just block. It communicates, senses pressure, and responds instantly to contact. This isn't ordinary fencing. It's precision deterrence engineered to stand between your animals and nature's most formidable challengers, every hour of every day. This is Blaze Barrier, a rapid deployment wildfire defense system engineered to stop ground fires before they reach your home. Designed and refined by wildfire safety innovators to give everyday homeowners and first responders a fighting chance against fast-moving flames. Lightweight, biodegradable modules snap together into a containment line you lay in minutes. When advancing fire hits the barrier, flame-activated charges release a non-toxic fire retardant that smothers flames and halts forward progress. No digging, no hoses, no heavy machinery. Simple deployment delivers a fire break on demand, buying crucial time in emergencies. Built for real landscapes and real danger, it transforms the way we defend property and lives from wildfire disaster. Blaze Barrier, engineered to stop fire in its tracks before it stops you. This is Fireswarm Solutions, a cutting-edge wildfire defense platform built in Canada to confront the world's most aggressive fires. Driven by ultra-heavy lift autonomous drones equipped with AI-driven swarm control, it can carry hundreds of kilos of water and gear into the heart of danger. These uncrewed aerial systems fly where traditional aircraft can't, at night through smoke and in low visibility, and coordinate in real time to detect hotspots and suppress fire before it grows. Built by multidisciplinary engineers and wildfire experts, the system blends advanced automation, machine learning, and heavy lift capability into a force multiplier for governments, firefighting teams, and emergency responders. Designed to shorten response times, extend aerial reach, and protect land and infrastructure at scale, SCIM, this isn't just firefighting tech, it's autonomous aerial fire defense engineered to change how wildfires are fought and won. This is Sprout, the soft pathfinding robotic observation unit. A flexible rescue robot engineered by MIT Lincoln Laboratory in collaboration with University of Notre Dame researchers to explore where others can't. It isn't rigid hardware, it's a pressurized, inflatable vine-like body that grows into tight, unpredictable spaces beneath collapsed structures. Built to carry cameras and sensors, Sprout bends around corners and squeezes through rubble to map voids and find survivors before responders enter danger. Operators steer it with precision via joystick while live video and environmental data stream back in real time. Designed for disaster zones where every second counts, Sprout turns chaotic debris fields into navigable terrain. When traditional tools reach their limits, Sprout reaches further, giving teams the insight they need to save lives. High-rise emergencies can be terrifying, and that's exactly what Nerigo is designed to solve: an innovative emergency evacuation lift. This compact platform safely carries you down when stairs or elevators aren't an option. Step on, release the brake, and the platform smoothly descends. And once you step off, it automatically resets, ready for the next person. With its space-efficient, simple, and life-saving design, Nerigo is perfect for anyone looking to evacuate safely during a fire or emergency. This tech innovation isn't just cool, it could literally save lives. This is the XPENG AeroHT safety system, a multi-parachute rescue platform engineered for the flying cars of tomorrow. Developed by XPENG's AeroHT division to protect passengers when traditional flight systems fail. When an X2 or AeroHT eVTOL loses propulsion, onboard sensors trigger multiple parachutes to deploy at ultra-low altitudes, as low as 50 meters above ground, slowing descent to survivable speeds. These rescue chutes work with a control module to ensure stability and controlled landings, even with heavy payloads. Designed to fill a critical safety gap in urban air mobility, it brings aviation-grade emergency protection to personal aerial vehicles. This isn't just backup gear, it's precision rescue engineering crafted to bring flying cars down alive when it matters most. This is the Personnel Basket Norsoc, a heavy-duty crew transfer system engineered for offshore safety and precision. Built by Safe Transfer in Denmark to meet the strict Norsoc R002:2017 standard, it's certified by DNV for the toughest marine environments. The rigid stainless steel frame won't collapse. Self-righting buoyant design keeps it stable in water. Shock-absorbing floors and non-skid surfaces protect personnel as they're lifted between ships, platforms, and rigs by crane. Dual independent slings ensure redundancy so the basket stays secure even if one fails. It's built to endure high wind, rough seas, and extreme temperatures while carrying up to 4 people, or even an injured person on a stretcher, with unmatched reliability. This isn't just a transfer tool. It's offshore personnel safety, engineered to industrial standards and built to save lives in harsh conditions. This is the JX-6A rescue drone, an air and water dual role, life-saving machine engineered for rapid response in aquatic emergencies, built by DIDIOK Makings to reach victims faster and safer than traditional rescue teams ever could. Lightweight and compact, it launches in seconds, hovers with precision, and withstands strong winds and harsh weather. Its integrated buoyant frame doesn't just fly, it floats, delivering immediate support where people need it most. A high-definition tilt camera streams live video back to operators, guiding every move with clarity. With one-button controls and long-range reach, it extends life-saving capability hundreds of meters offshore or across flood zones. This isn't just a drone, and it's a flying lifebuoy engineered to put help where it matters before it's too late. Every machine you've seen today doesn't just exist. One, it's proof that technology can save lives, extend reach, and redefine limits. From air, land, and water to disasters and emergencies, these innovations are pushing boundaries. If you want to see more groundbreaking machines, understand how they work, and witness human ingenuity at its peak, subscribe now, hit the bell, and never miss the edge of innovation. This is Build Mystery.